Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to disable age-restricted settings on a Discord channel, you're in the right place. Today we'll walk through a simple, updated method to lift that age gate so your community can share and discuss freely, while keeping things respectful and compliant with Discord's guidelines. First, open Discord and head into your server. You'll see a list of channels on the left side. Pick the channel you want to adjust, the one that's currently age-restricted. This is where the conversation happens, so make sure you're changing the correct spot. Now, long press on the channel name. If you're on mobile, a quick tap and hold will bring up a context menu. On desktop, right-click the channel name. You're looking for an option that lets you access channel settings. Choose Edit Channel from the menu that appears. With the channel settings open, scroll down until you find the age restriction toggle. It's typically labeled something like Age Restricted Channel or similar. This is the control that determines who can view and participate in the channel based on age. Toggle off the age restriction. Once you switch it off, double check the permissions to ensure members who previously couldn't access the channel can now see and participate in it. It's a good idea to review any roles tied to this channel so you're not unintentionally blocking or granting access to different